When one thinks of Beijing, the first things that should come to mind should be the Great Wall of China, dragon dancers and colourful festivals, a capital rich in culture and impressive architecture with hundreds of years of fascinating history. Sadly, in this day and age, the first thought that springs to mind about China and the Chinese capital is pollution. Images of smog, people wearing pollution masks and high AQI readings are very much the image people have of Beijing. In this investigation, there will be a focus on what are the causes, issues and possible solutions to Beijing's pollution. With China's international success and Beijing's surrounding provinces having large amounts of industry, together with Beijing's intense population, this has influenced the increase in car ownership, along with the use of low-quality gasoline, which is very toxic for the environment. With surrounding provinces like Hebei as well as Beijing using huge amounts of low-quality coal for heating and cooking contributes to the large amounts of sulfur dioxide emissions. Along with the ever-expanding city with high levels of construction causing large amounts of dust in the atmosphere. Gone are the days of everyone cycling in Beijing. Cycle paths are now often used by cars. A combination of all these factors means that Beijing frequently has a high amount of PM2.5 particles in its air. These are small particles that when inhaled damage our health on many levels. For example, lung cancer, heart disease, asthma, and many other illnesses can be developed by inhaling large amounts of PM2.5 particles. This can have an effect on anyone. People that belong to sensitive groups, like the young and the older generations, tend to be more at risk. Short-term solutions are to keep ourselves informed of the AQI levels and what measures to take for the different readings. Wear high-quality pollution masks and change the filters often. Install air purifiers at home. Think carefully before using your car. Ask yourself, is it really necessary? Cycle when possible. Use public transport like the bus or the subway. Or simply walk if you're going a short distance. When driving, make sure you're using high-grade petrol in your car. If using coal, try to use wash coal, which releases less sulfur dioxide. Call the environmental complaint line on 12369 if you witness anyone not complying with environmental standards. If you do not live in China, please choose carefully the products that you purchase. At the moment, Beijing is at a crossroads where it can be seen for the city that it is or as a polluted metropolis. Beijing has so much to offer and it deserves to be recognized for all the wonderful monuments, history and culture that it hosts. Its population deserves to breathe fresh air and have a blue sky and to be able to see the stars at night. Working together locally and on an international scale, Beijing can be known for its beauty and not its air pollution. This will create a more positive and bluer future, not just for this generation, but for the generations to come.